This is the grid system. And paste in the second file, give the file name grid system2.html, grid system 2.html, grid system 2.html. In grid system 2 file, you can remove the second container fluid and you will come to the first container and delete everything from here. In Bootstrap, every time whenever you are creating the page, under body you cannot write content directly. You have to follow the container. Container is the outer level of boundary that will hold the data and it will be in the middle actually. In the previous example, you can see this file. The previous example, if you run it, if you run this file, okay, if you run this file, you can see in this file, this is covering some space, whereas equal gap in the left and equal gap in the right. This is happening because of container. If you will not use container, then this content will take this much width only, but it will start from left side. So container is the outer level of controller. Okay. Container or container fluid, anyone we can use. Now come to the next. Come to the next. Next example, container is required every time. In developer guide, we are going to make a note. We have reached step number 1. We have to link to the bootstrap.css file. Step number 2, we have to follow the body tag. Step number 3, inside the body tag, either you follow container or container fluid. Anyone? Step number 4 says, inside container or container fluid, whichever you are following, follow that. Whether it's a container or container fluid, inside that we have to use a class called row. Use a class called .row. Use a class called row. Okay, hope ready. Use a class called row. Now, step number 5 says, inside the row, follow the class. Inside the row, follow the class as follow the columns. Follow the columns. Inside row, follow the columns. But how many columns? We have 72 columns. Right. 72 columns we have, no? So definitely we are going to follow all 72 columns, but we'll keep a limit. Every row, the number of column will not increase by 12. In one row, the number of column will be maximum how many? 12 at a time. Like you can add 20 also, no problem. But execution will happen only 12. Now which 12 will execute? That based on a screen size. If a screen is for every size, you have how many classes? 12 we have. For every screen, we have 12 size, no? 12 classes, 12 columns. It says like if it is a small, then 12 SM will execute. If it is a MD, then 12 MD will execute. If it is a XL, then 12 XL will execute. Any 12 will only execute, but how many? Only 12 in each row. Come inside. Inside the row, follow the columns. Minimum 1 and maximum 12 from given 72. Okay, hope ready. Now come to that file and see how we are going to use that. Okay, inside the row, follow the columns, minimum 1 and maximum how many? 12 from 72. Now come to the grid system 2 file. Inside the body, we have used the container. Under the container, we need to follow the class called row. Class called row. Okay, hope written. Class called row. Now inside the row, what will come? Columns will come, but minimum 1 and maximum 12. Now see, suppose if you are saying minimum 1 and maximum 12, how the calculation will happen? A row, this row, what will be the width of the row? What should be the width of this row? Any idea? It will go 100% only. The row will cover the pool of the container. Container may cover some certain area, but whatever the area is being covered by container, all will go to the row. You can say row is going to cover the 100% of the width. Now, our algorithm says in a row, there can be maximum 12 columns and minimum 1 column. Now, when it say like minimum 1 and maximum column as 12, when you talk on the maximum level, now come to the calculator. As you said, the width for the row will be 100%, no problem. Yes, 100% only. Now inside the 100% of width, how many column maximum? 12. So 100 divided by 12. 12. So the column for each, the width for each column will be 8.33%. Now suppose if you want to make one column, if you want to keep 12 columns, then each column will be 8.33 for all the devices. In case if you want to make only one column, then how much you have to give? 100% we have to give. Now let's look into our dictionary what we have made first. Go here in the beginning. Call 1, call 1, call 2, call 3, call 4. So number 1 represent 8.33% as a width. Let me write here. The number 1 is nothing but 8.33333% as a width of current window. Number 1 represent 8.33% of the current window. So if you want to create okay, if you want to create total 12 columns, then total number of column how many you have? 12. Oh. And if you want to make 12 only, then how much will come? 8.33 width will come, that I understand. But total number of column how many we have? In one row, 12. And you want to make how many columns? 12 column. So 12 divided by 12, how much will come? 1 will come. So each column will take the width of 8.333. Now suppose in second row, you want to make total 6 columns. 6 columns. Total number of column, how much we have in each row? Maximum 12. Maximum in each row we have is a 12. But our requirement says create only 6. So 12 easily divided by 6. You will get how much? 2 will come. 1 how much was representing? 8.33. 2 will represent how much? 16.66. 16.66 if we raise 6 times, 100% will come. Sure. So that is the main point of understanding the Bootstrap. Usage of these columns. We will remember in one row, we will not exceed the count more than 12. Okay, count should not increase by 12. Which count? This count. This count. This count. If you want to create one column, then you will give directly this one. Which one? 12. If you want to create 6 column, you will give as how much? 2. If you want to create now 3 columns, what you will give? 31. Number. Talk about the number. So you said, okay, if you want to create 12 columns, then I will follow 1, 1, 1. 12 mango divided into 12 people, 1, 1, 1 will come. Now mango is 12 only, but number of heads are 6. How much will come? 2, 2 will come per head. So you can say in one row, if you want to create total 6 columns, then 2, 2, 2, 2 will come, right? Next, in third row, if you want to create 4 columns, 4 columns. How many total we have columns? 12. 12 we have, total we have 12, but we want to distribute it to 4. So each one will take 3, 3, 3 and then 3. Total 12 will be over. Same way, if you want to create total 3 columns, total quota how much we have? 12. Total 12 we have, but we want to distribute it to only 3 parts. Then how much will come? 4, 4, 8 and 4, 12. Total how many columns? 3 columns. Understood? In case if you want to create odd number, you created 1, 5 and 1, 5. 10 is over. Remaining is how much? 2. If you give 3, then in 1, 2 will come and third will go to where? New line. Because the space is not there. Right? If we have occupied already 9, remaining how much? 3. If we have already occupied the 6, remaining how much? 6. If you have taken the 7, remaining how much? 5. So in each row, when we are writing manually, right, we will not exceed by 12. But if something is automated, okay, automated. Like suppose in one row, we don't know how many column will be, but our total limit is 12 only. Once more than 12 will happen, it will go to the new line. Okay, so those will come. Let's come to this file, implement it once. Okay, now let's go to this row. We will, based on LG, will create one example, and then we'll create next example will be combination of. Okay, Division. Call hyphen LG hyphen 1. Hello. Out of 12, you have taken 1. Remaining how many? 11. One more be taken. Remaining how much? 10. One more be taken. Remaining is 9. Similar way, save it and check now. In one line, call LG 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. We follow 6 times. Check now, 6 are coming or not. Coming 6 in one line. 6 will come in one line. Now 6 more are there. Let's follow. 1, let's call 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Keep 1, 1, 1, 1, 12 times. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Save it now. Okay. All 12 column got occupied. Come now. Next, what we will do is in the same row, there is no place now. If you add anything extra, it will go to the new line. Okay. So that row is end here. You can write a comment row end. Row end. Now create another row. Okay. So between first row and second row, we want to give some space. So what you will follow? BR. Bootstrap has no BR at all. BR will work, but you should not use the BR. We have 25 classes for the margin purpose. Margin means left, right, top, bottom gap. 25 ways. Okay. Padding also we have 25 classes. Inside gap. Inside the division, we can give the space from 25 sides. Okay. 25 way we can apply the gap. Out of the division also we can apply the gap from the 25 ways. So outside of the division, if you want to apply the space, that is called margin. Inside the division, if you want to apply the space, that is called padding. So M related, we have lot of classes. P related, we have lot of classes. Okay. In that, suppose if I write here MT, M for margin and T for top. Okay. So it will give margin top. If you write 1 means 16 pixel. 1 means 16 pixel. 2 meaning, no. 2 meaning, 1 means 8 pixel. 2 meaning 16 pixel. Okay. No, something wrong. Hold on, I'll guide you. 1 represent the 4, 2 represent the 8, 3 represent the 16, 4 represent the 24, and 5 represent the 48. Okay, so we will make a note of that. I have a list I will give you. Empty 5. So what it will give? Margin top 48 pixel. Margin top 48 px. Empty margin top 48 px. So after first row and before second row, after first row and before second row, there will be gap of 48 pixel. Now inside the second row, you will write here total 6 columns. Div class equal to call hyphen lg hyphen 2. Call lg2 hello from okay, write it 6 times total. Okay, hope ready. Right, you can see each row how many columns? This is the one column, second column, third column, fourth column, fifth column, and then sixth column. Create one more row. Division class equal to row empty 5. Call lg3. So 333 how many times? 336, 393, 12. Total 4 times maximum.
was not showing the same.
Why it is not showing? Mm-hmm.
First it was started from, it was contained amount. So there is some gap on left, some gap. At the end, it was showing that the more gap.
Very more gap. There is no more gap. Your content end here only. This is going till here. See, the gap of left and gap of right will be equal. Can I say this gap and this gap? It should be equal. Content, if it is less, then you will find more gap from the right side. Hello. Yes, hello. Yes, say no. Yes, say something. Yeah. ठीक है, नाम क्या है आपका? ठीक है, कल कॉल करेंगे, आज हॉलीडे है, इधर से कल जाएगा। हाँ, कल कॉल जाएगा। Okay, so hope written. Now come down. Create another row where we can display only total 4 columns. 4 columns we displayed. Next row will be of how many columns? 3 columns. Come down. Empty. Okay. Delete one. 4, 4, 4. Okay, total 3 columns. Now next we can create of 2 columns. Create another row. There 6 and 6 will come. Create another row. There 6 and 6 will come. 6. First will be 6. Second also 6. And after that, create of 7, and then what will be the next? 7, 5. And next will be 7, 5 already. Next will be 8, 8, 4. Then 9, 3. And then directly 12 will create. Try quickly from your side.
Create it all.
Okay, very good. So in one row, we will not exceed by how many? 12. If will exceed by 12, it will go to the new line. Okay. No problem. But that is not bad. If you are writing more than 12 columns, that is not bad. Okay. It is correct only, but it will go to where? New line. It will go to the new line.
So what is the so empty?
Hmm?
So like
I will give you a list of classes. You will remember it. Login in that GeoMap. Possible to log in now in GeoMap. Login quickly. I will give 40, not 40, 50 classes. Bootstrap. Coming to GeoMap. This 50 classes I have to send you. How to send? This list of 50 classes are there. M for margin and P for guiding. Okay. In that, some classes are not exist also. So whichever the class are exist, you can use that. Zoom ID is here. Zoom ID is 4789 478958. 478958. Using this ID, you can log in. Okay, so you got it. Login. Now I will share this. Wait. In your computer, you have the volume. Go to the volume and keep mute. Computer volume muted. Volume is there. Yeah. Click on that. Laughing symbol. Okay. And copy that, paste in developer guide. That is related to margin and padding. One REM equal to 16 pixel, and here 4 is nothing but 0.25, 8 is nothing but 0.5, 1 is nothing but this much, this much, this much. Okay, when we say 1, when we write 1, it represent how much? 4 pixel. 2 will represent 8 pixel, 3 will represent 16, 4 will represent 24, and 5 will represent 48. Now coming down, M for margin, P for padding, T for top, B for bottom, L for left, R for right. Combination we are going to generate. If you write M hyphen 3, what will happen? If you write M3, what will happen? M for what purpose? Margin. 3 for how much? 16 pixel. So margin how much? 16 pixel. Come now, below combination. You can say M hyphen 1, margin 4 pixel from all the side. M hyphen 2, margin 8 pixel from all the side. Next below you have M hyphen 1, M hyphen 2. Till where? M5. Only M means margin. Gap from where? All the side. Next after that ML. Margin left. 1 means how much? 4 pixel. 1 to till 5. 4 means how much? 24 px. 3 means 16 pixel. Similar way, MR. Margin right. MT. Margin top. MB. Margin bottom. Now instead of writing the BR, you will manage through these classes. Which classes? M classes. MB, MT, MR, ML, and M classes. Next, after that, next is the padding related. P hyphen 1. P for padding. 1 meaning 4 pixel. Inside the paragraph, 4 pixel gap from all the side. P hyphen 2. Padding 8 pixel. Inside the paragraph from all the side. P3, P4, and then P5. Similar way, P1, not P1, PL, PL1, padding left. PL2, padding till where? Till 5. PR, padding right. 1 to 5. Then PT, padding top. 1 to 5. PB, padding bottom. Where to where? 1 to 5. So these all are related to padding, and this is related to margin. Okay, and these all are related to where? Grid system. Now one example will create where we will try to mix all classes. All classes. Okay. Call hyphen 1 to call hyphen Excel or LG. Create next file. Give file name grid system 3.html. Up to 3 REM. 3 REM. What is it? 5 means 48. And last one. Create next file, grade system 3. Okay, so we'll start from the large device. Or a small device. In mobile phone, in one line, we need to see one block. So we'll follow call hyphen 12. So for mobile phone, how much? 12. Little bigger than mobile phone. Call hyphen 6. Like how much? Half. In one line, how many columns? 2. Call hyphen SM. It should be SM hyphen 6. After that, next will be call hyphen, what do you have next? MD. Call hyphen MD hyphen 3. So in medium device, how many columns? 4, no, not 3, 4 columns. Call hyphen LG hyphen 3, 4. So in large, how many? 3, 3 columns. Call hyphen Excel hyphen how many? 2 if you give, then how many come? 6 will come? 2. Call hyphen double Excel 2. So mobile phone, 1 column in one line. A small device, 2 column in one line. Medium device, 3 column in one line. Not 3, 4 columns. 4 column. After that, large device, 3 column in one line. Extra large and double extra large. How many? 2 columns, like 6 columns in one line. I am working well. L is missing. Copy this division, paste, paste. How many times? Now which count you will consider? Extra small, a small, medium, large, or which one? Now here now first only is cover the full width. Call SM taken the 12 or not? SM is taking how much? Half. MD is taking 3. So where to now is your wish. How many times you want to copy paste, copy paste? All will go to the new line automatically. Okay. So you can write like this. Keep 12 times, okay? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. Check now. Okay, look. Hello. Yeah. Hello. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I'll call you some 10-15 minutes. Font hyphen. Hope ready? How many times got pasted? 12 times. Now run that file. In my screen, something else is coming. See now, how many are there? 2, 4, 6 are in one line. Remaining. Now, as we minimize the window, you make a little different size. You can resize like this. Number of column will get changed. But see here, in a small device, there is a 4. Okay, but here 4 should not be there. No? Here should be 3 only. And at this place, there should be 4. That we have made it wrong. Here, what we have written? MD should be 4. MD should be 4 and LG should be 3. Copy this. MD should be 4 and LG should be 3. So bulk copy and paste, replace option is like this. First should be 4 and second should be 3. Then it should look like this. 3, 4, after that 6. And very small will be only 1. You can check in mobile phone, very small. It should come 1. Because we are given call LG, call 12. Increasing the columns. Huh? So we can implement that classes easily. Number of column based on our requirement, how many we want to create, we can create. Let's come to the developer guide again. Okay, in developer guide, you can write for the colors. What are the text color we have? I have written somewhere. Hold on. BG color and text color. These all are the background color and the text color. Classes for background color and classes for text color. So are we in the chat only or we log out? You are in the chat or log out? Log out. 5G is coming now soon. Expected the data will be more expensive. It will consume more data. When? Which one? 5G. Fast will be there, unnecessary something will come and go. Data will be little more consumed. So we lost the network once the 5G will come on now. I'm waiting if you all will log in, I will paste here. I have selected for that purpose only. No? Okay, so I sent you in the chat again. Next, we can create one more file quickly to see the background color and text color. So create one more file, bgcolor.html, bgcolor, gb is closed. Another div is also closed. Body also closed. HTML will be closed. BG color. Inside that, create the division call hyphen lg hyphen 4. Keep a paragraph class equal to p3. What will be p3 means how much? Padding 3. Padding 16 pixel. Write one paragraph. PG color text hyphen white. Text hyphen white. In container, you can write MT5, margin top 48 px. Background will be blue color and text will be white color. Same column, copy again, call LG4 and paste after this and increase the padding to 4. P4 you can give. BG dark you can write or BG black you can write. BG dark. Ready? Padding we are giving little more. Keep one more division similar. Call LG4. BG success. BG success will come in green color. There you can write P5. 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 Adding 5. P5. See now. The height got increased little. Background color is also there. Very good color combination. We can use that. Okay, done. Now a small task. Design related. Icon idea we have. Bootstrap icon idea. Which one? Font awesome. You can keep the icon in already icon we have here. We can call the icon all.css file and then you can try that. Okay. The task is here, a small task that is already getting done by other people's. I have taken the screenshot yesterday. Where are you? Where are you? Planet. Yes, 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 yes. This look like difficult. You can try this only. One is enough now. The navigation you have to create through the CSS. This navigation has to run through the CSS. And these boxes will come through the where? Bootstrap. We seen the color combination now. Danger, success, info, warning, primary, all are there. So from there you can choose the color, use the icon, page should look like this. You can take the photo or shall I send in the group? This is not in my phone. So 3:30 p.m. 2 batches we need to send, right? Where are you? What is, which is that? PM. Okay, so what photo you received?